Here you are, Tempy. You've been flipping on your back, or no, from your back to your stomach recently. We're pretty impressed. You're making progress there, and you're saying a few things too, but you got your new giraffe. Well, see? There's what I'm saying. You're talking these days. What do you think about the upcoming presidential election? Oh, you sound concerned. Well, and what do you think about the Denver Broncos this season? Since you've got your ball here, do you think they'll be a contender? Oh, I see. Well, sounds like it's going to be a painful season. And last question, what do you think is going to happen to your dad's hairline? Will he grow hair again? No comment, huh? Just gonna suck the fingers. Yeah, your dad doesn't have much to say on the matter either. All right, well, thanks for visiting with us. Oh, that was your closing comment, I guess. All right, thank you.